Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see how to use CapCut and make an Insta viral reel. All you need to do is download CapCut Pro and you need to search for CapCut 2022 goodbye template. Then you need to use VPN in order to use this CapCut and this template. You can use so many VPN applications available in Play Store. Then you come to Google and search this CapCut template and install it. It will get open in CapCut app. Then you can choose whatever videos, nearly 29 images and one videos. It depends. You can use either image or videos in your template. I have chosen this images, nearly 29 images, and right now I'm gonna edit the text over there. The preview came really well. Then you can customize it by adjusting the text over there in however you wish. I'm just editing the year, also the text over there through the CapCut editing option. Then you can preview it. Then you can use it in your reel. I have just simply put cuckoo. It means hi in French. So it will get exported. Hope this video helps you. You can also try out this by making this YouTube or Insta reel. You can also change the audio option by using in YouTube or Insta. Keep supporting. We'll see you in a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.